Good Friday morning, May 16th. We're going to go back 24 hours just to give you a quick overview of what happened and how this system evolved. Number one is that we had our low pressure come up from the southern part of the U.S. over the Great Lakes. It became our worst enemy if you heard it for, I believe, Tuesday and Wednesday and parts of yesterday as well, with some thunderstorms for the south, with some dense fog as well. And the temperatures were nice and warm to double-digit territory, but the backside of the slow caught us yesterday. Not by surprise, because we did get the snowfall. There was about 5 centimeters of snow the day before over the northwest part of Ontario. But the low had that nice counterclockwise flow that we got on the colder side of it yesterday, and the warmer side still kept central and southern Ontario with warmer values. There's a high pressure spinning clockwise over the Maritime provinces, just like so. If you notice the mechanics, the high pressure is acting like a very big steering wheel. It's actually almost like a blocking high that we usually see over the prairies over the summertime when we get 2 weeks of 30+ degree dry heat. This is acting similar nature, but it's acting like a pulley. We can see that flow here. Cold front starting from Florida, running along the Carolinas, the U.S. northeast coast, the St. Lawrence Seaway, central Quebec, all the way up towards Labrador. Behind it is a cold air that we're still seeing this morning. Timmins did report freezing right at 6 o'clock this morning, changing to light freezing drizzle at 7. It's now just standard light drizzle with no freezing as of 8. Kapuskasing got ice pellets last night. They got freezing right at 3 o'clock mixed with light snow as well. There's still some snow reported out of Folke, Moonbeam, and Hearst as well, but overcast elsewhere. Timmins, South Porcupine, Timmins Airport, light drizzle. So there's a varied component. If you travel about an hour or two away from one city to another, there's a change of precip because the air mass is just that consolidated that the temperatures are between -1 and +1, and the conditions range from solid to mixed to just wet weather. So in just a matter of about 30 to 60 minutes of road travel, you'll get into a different air mass just like that. That's just how the weather works. That's how the system played out from yesterday to this morning where we are right now. We're still going to get the backside of the slow today to produce unsettled conditions, but with some clear breaks. So the system is going to gain higher air pressure, which means it's going to weaken. It's going to slowly drift away from Ontario, but the backside is still going to give us some occasional periods of extreme northwest Ontario getting some light snow, mix of sun and cloud with maybe occasional showers or periods of rain for the northeast. But as we can see, there's a break in Manitoba. This is the break we're hoping to see move in for the long weekend to give us some partly cloudy conditions and back to the double-digit temperatures. I'll take a quick look at our systems map for this afternoon to give you perspective of what to expect to close out the school and the work week.